Severe typhoon Haishen continues to weakening as it approach land. From my analysis, it is now 160 km per hour and a pressure of 952 hectopascals. It is moving north at 33 km per hour and located at 29.3 and 130.3 E. The wind field that on the eastern side is huge after complete the second eyewall replacement cycle. The cyclone damage potential index is 85. It will arrive very soon. Also, it is now 120 km from Kagoshima that will arrive soon, 195 km from Nagasaki that will arrive at midnight, 300 km from Fukuoka that will arrive in the early morning, 465 km from Busan that will arrive in tomorrow morning, and 545 km from Daegu that will arrive in tomorrow morning. Sea surface temperature is still warm, which is about 28 degrees. Vertical wind shear is fair now, which is about 20 knots. Here is the chance of experiencing wind. In terms of gale wind, there are 100% in Kagoshima, 99% in Nagasaki, 99% in Fukuoka, 98% in Busan and 97% in Daegu. In terms of stormwind, there are 97% in Kagoshima, 96% in Nagasaki, 65% in Fukuoka, 81% in Busan and 74% in Daegu. In terms of hurricane wind, there are 92% in Kagoshima, 91% in Nagasaki, 23% in Fukuoka, 56% in Busan and 41% in Daegu. Intensify is going to weaken, but it can still a typhoon at landfall. Vertical wind shear will increase rapidly. Sea surface temperature is dropping and become unfavorable. Humidity is likely to slowly decreasing, which is now 70%. The satellite imagery and colored imageries show that the eye becomes shallow and will collapse likely. Convection is being warm and the wind field becomes huge. Forecast to weaken further as it enters the unfavorable zone. However, typhoon landfall is still likely to happen in the next 12 hours. Therefore, who lives in Japan and Korea should alert of the storm coming soon. Finally, thank you for watching this video.